Hi guys, my name's Kasim and we here at Etech Mobility are Birmingham's leading electric wheelchair and mobility scooter retailer. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the Freedom Elite ST. So as you can tell, it looks very similar to our other wheelchairs that you may have seen on YouTube or on our website. And you're right, it is very similar. It pretty much does the exact same thing, except this wheelchair is a better wheelchair. This one's got brushless motors. So with brushless motors, you don't have to worry about the maintenance. There's no brushes in there, so it will last you a lot longer than the other wheelchairs will. As well as that, the motors are more efficient, which means your battery life will last you longer. And it's a much more reactive motor as well. So your joystick, when you're pushing that along and you let go, the brakes will react a lot quicker. So all in all, the brushless motor is longer lasting, more efficient, and better with its reactivity as well. But the rest of the wheelchair is pretty similar. It all does exactly the same thing, except the split cable joystick. So the joystick can be completely removed by just unscrewing the joystick and splitting it in half. So you would unscrew, pull that off, and then you can remove this from its slot. So this is good when you're going abroad and you want to protect your joystick, because we know what the luggage people are like. They can sometimes throw the luggage around. So you do want to protect this. And at least you know with this now, you can carry this onto your luggage as well. But yeah, it's easy to slot back into its area, and then you just simply plug that back in. And as easy as that. And this wheelchair is still easily foldable, so you would just do it from the back, just fold it down, and that's that in its folded position. From there, you can stand it up, lift it, put it into the boot of your car. And to unfold it, it's easy as well. Just simply pull it back up and that will lock back into position. As well as that, you can roll this around freely. So if I unlock the brakes from the back, I can just move it along like a manual wheelchair. And to power it on, you want to make sure your brakes are on. So then you put the brakes on, make sure you can't push it, and that's how you power the joystick on. Additionally, you can lift the armrest. So that's one of the ways to transfer into the wheelchair. Same with the other armrest there. And you can also lift the footplate. The footplate can also now be extended. So we've got a telescopic footplate. You just pull the knob and you can extend the footplate out. So that's good for taller users who feel as though their knees are restricted. So you can extend that footplate and it relaxes your knees. Or even if you are a shorter person like myself, then it's nice to just relax your feet or every once in a while if you are spending a longer time in the wheelchair. But yeah, the Freedom Elite ST isn't the only Elite we have. We can have Freedom Elites in our automatic folding wheelchair. You can also get it in our reclining wheelchair. So that's manual reclining, automatic reclining. And hopefully in the future, we hope to have an automatic folding and a manual reclining wheelchair coming to our stock as well. And yeah, the wheelchair, you can get this in a bunch of different colors. So we've got the red color here. We've got black, we've got blue, champagne, and we've also got silver. So a bunch of different colors, which can also purchase upholstery, such as our beige leather upholstery or navy leather upholstery to attach on here as well. So it gives you options to kind of switch it up, customize it, and make it your own wheelchair. But yeah, you can find these wheelchairs on our website, which is www.etechmobility.co.uk, or you can call us on 0121 661 4336 to speak to one of our specialists, or you can simply drop us an email at support@etechmobility.co.uk and we'll get back to you right away.